Why your insurance claim was denied and how to appeal. Imagine this scenario. You've been paying your insurance premiums diligently for months, maybe even years. Then one day you face an unforeseen event and file a claim, only for it to be denied. Frustrating, isn't it? If you found yourself in this situation, don't worry. You're not alone, and there's something you can do about it. In today's video, we're breaking down the common reasons why insurance claims are denied, the exact steps you can take to appeal a denial, and tips to prevent it from happening in the future. This guide is tailored specifically for first-time policyholders, making it simple, insightful, and actionable. So let's dive in and empower you to take control of your insurance journey. Before we get into why a claim might be denied, let's take a moment to understand what an insurance claim is. An insurance claim is a formal request you make to your insurance provider to reimburse you for losses covered under your policy. For example, it might be a health claim to cover medical expenses, a car insurance claim after an accident, or a homeowner's insurance claim due to storm damage. For first-time policyholders, the process can be a bit confusing. Claims typically require detailed documentation, meeting deadlines, and navigating terms and conditions that aren't always straightforward. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to avoid pitfalls and successfully appeal any decision. Insurance claim denials happen for a variety of reasons. Let's walk through the 10 most common ones and how to spot them. Incomplete or missing documentation. Submitting a claim requires specific documentation to support your case, like receipts, medical reports, or photos. If you leave out even one crucial document, your claim might be rejected. Filing outside of policy coverage. Not all incidents are covered by your policy. For instance, standard car insurance might not cover breakdowns, and standard health insurance may not cover elective procedures. Policy exclusions. Your insurance policy may specifically exclude certain situations. For example, a homeowner's policy might not cover flood damage unless you've purchased additional flood insurance. Premiums not paid on time. Missing even one payment can cause your insurance coverage to lapse, leading to a denied claim. Misrepresentation on applications or claim forms. If your insurance company finds inaccuracies or false information in your policy application or claim, they may deny it, even if it's an innocent mistake. Policy cancellations or lapses. If your policy was canceled or expired due to non-payment or other reasons, any claims made during the lapse period will likely be denied. Missed deadlines. Most insurance policies have deadlines for filing claims, ranging from 30 to 90 days. If you miss the window, your claim may automatically be denied. Insufficient evidence. Without clear proof of the incident, the insurer might not be able to verify your claim. Photos, videos, and receipts can make or break your case. Disputes about fault or liability. For example, in car insurance, insurers may deny claims if there's disagreement about who was at fault for the accident. Misunderstandings about fine print. Often policyholders are unaware of specific clauses, deductibles, or maximum claim amounts, which can lead to denied claims. Knowing these reasons gives you an advantage. You can prepare accordingly and reduce the likelihood of facing a denial. But if your claim has already been denied, don't panic. Here's how to turn things around. Having your claim denied isn't the end, it's just the start of the appeals process. Here's a step-by-step approach to help you successfully challenge the decision. Carefully read the denial letter. When your claim is denied, your insurer will send you a denial letter explaining the reason. Take the time to read it thoroughly and identify what went wrong. Is it a missing document, an exclusion, or something else? Understanding the exact issue is key. Gather policy documents and evidence. Pull out your insurance policy and compare the denial reason with the terms of your coverage. Gather all supporting evidence, including receipts, reports, or contracts that can back up your claim. Contact your insurance provider. Reach out to your insurance company to clarify the denial reason. Sometimes, slight misunderstandings or missing paperwork can be easily resolved with a phone call. Ask them for specific guidance on how to start the appeals process. Write a strong appeal letter. Your appeal letter is your opportunity to present your case. This letter should Clearly state your request for reconsideration. Provide factual evidence to support your claim. Stick to a calm, professional tone that fosters cooperation. For example, I request that you re-review my claim for reason based on the attached documentation, which supports my case. Seek professional help if necessary. If your insurer remains uncooperative, seek advice from an independent claims adjuster, a lawyer specializing in insurance, or your local insurance ombudsman. They can offer additional strategies to get your claim reconsidered. Follow up and be persistent. Appeals take time, so don't lose hope. Stay consistent with follow-ups and make sure to ask for updates at regular intervals until your case is resolved. Remember, insurers rely on proper documentation, clear arguments, and deadlines. Focus on building a solid case, and stay patient, but firm. To make things more relatable, let's consider a real-life example. John, a first-time homeowner, filed a claim after a storm damaged his roof. His claim was initially denied because he didn't submit detailed photos of the damage. After reading his denial letter and contacting his insurance company, he gathered additional evidence including timestamps, repair estimates, and photos. Armed with this information, he wrote a compelling appeal letter. Within 6 weeks, his insurer reversed the decision, and John received coverage for repairs. Cases like these illustrate that persistence and preparation can pay off. While knowing how to appeal is critical, prevention is even better. Here are some steps you can take to make sure your claims process goes smoothly in the first place. Read the fine print before signing. Understand your policy's coverage, limits, exclusions, and deadlines before agreeing to it. If you're unsure, ask your broker or agent for clarification. Ask questions up front. Don't hesitate to ask questions like, is this scenario covered under my policy? Or, what documents will I need to file a claim? File claims promptly. After an incident, report it to your insurer as quickly as possible to avoid missing any deadlines. Double-check your submission. Before submitting a claim, review it for accuracy, completeness, and required documents. Even small errors can cause delays. Keep detailed records. Maintain a file with all your insurance-related documents, including your policy, receipts, emails, and notes from any phone calls with the insurer. Stay consistent with payments. Ensure you keep up with your premium payments to avoid a lapse in coverage. Taking these steps not only helps you avoid denials, but also gives you greater confidence in managing your insurance. Now that you know the common reasons for claim denials, how to appeal them, and how to avoid them in the future, you're better equipped to navigate the sometimes confusing world of insurance. If you found this guide helpful, do me a favor. Like this video to spread the knowledge, subscribe to the channel for more content that simplifies insurance, and leave a comment below sharing your experience with claims. Did you face a denial? How did you handle it? Knowledge is power, and by sharing and learning together we can all make smarter decisions. Don't let an unexpected denial overwhelm you. Take control, and remember, with preparation, patience, and persistence, you've got this.